Okay, so it's Monday morning, 20 September, and just a short video update of the market where we are today. Just going to start on the higher time frame, start marking out our monthly levels. So there's a we work on the candle closes. So there's a monthly level. Market there. Then we've got another monthly level here. And the top of that one, but we're not finished with this month yet, so that's all we can do there. So let's move over to the weekly. So there's an untapped weekly. There's a weekly. Looks like I've missed that one now. So I want to keep that there. Yeah, like that. This weekly's already been tapped here. We can just put it there for reference. And then we've got a weekly there. Oh, that's about it. And daily levels. So we've got a daily up there. We've got another daily here. I'm gonna keep this daily there, although it has been tapped there and it's been quite a significant level from there right through. That's it. Yeah. So now I just want to show you what happened here over the weekend, why we got rejected there. So some very simple tools. Just switch off the magnet. If we take a Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, we'll see there was it got close to that. It was just a slightly front run. I just want to go back to the weekly levels. I think we had a weekly around this area. Oh, that was an important weekly that I also still kept on my chart. That was quite well respected. I'm just going to leave that there, and then we come back to the daily. Yeah, that weekly made confluence there, and that was quite a good rejection of there. And then another fib pull. We obviously had quite a big drop this morning. A fib pull from low to high, and there we have another confluence with the daily and the Fibonacci. So these levels just play out so well. And then there's one other thing I just want to show. I'm going to zoom out a bit, so we'll see this is a range up until about the 8th of August. Yeah, so there was an uptrend and there was down, so we can take it from the 8th of August to there. I've already done the I can just do it again to show how I do it. So I use the range tool, and you go from that day, from where we are now, present, to the 8th of August. So I'm going to zoom in a bit here. Then I'm just going to show you there, see that weekly alert going off here, that weekly that we've got there is in confluence with that value area high of this range. So that's very important. I've already marked it. I'm just going to switch them on. Those three. So I've marked the value area low, I've marked the point of control, that point of control of this range, and I've marked the value area high. And then if we zoom in again, you'll see we turned exactly on this value area low of that range. And then the top of, on the weekend when we got rejected, was exactly off that value area high again. So we're basically just operating in the middle around here. Let me just go into a lower time frame, 1 hour. Yeah, there's the point of control, and you see we're at slight movement there. I think let's just go down to the 15 minutes. Now there was slight hesitation there on the point of control. We came down, we couldn't quite retest it, and we're hanging around the bottom here. So most probably we will see a retest, or how can I say, pick up some liquidity around here, because there will be a lot of stop losses lying around here. So we might see a little bit more downside today. That will be the first target, and the second target will be this low there, because there will also be a lot of stop losses around there. So I also don't, it's really difficult for me to short, but something I'm trying to learn and study, because that was Saturday morning, and that was such an obvious short up there. Just want to show you one more thing. The VWAP. This VWAP, I'm just going to do it live now, slightly modify it a bit. You remove the upper band, the lower band, and the band fills. Okay, and then you can see on Saturday morning, so it rejected off that value area high, and if you weren't sure yet, you can see it came back again. So that is already, that rounded top is already a bearish sign, so that could have gone for a short there. It would have been a beautiful trade down here. So anyway, that retest of that daily, losing the daily and then losing the VWAP here, retest, retest, retest. You had plenty of options even down here to get into a short. I think this was, yeah, this was in the middle of the night though. But up there, and then the retest and the losing VWAP there, could have been a good opportunity. Right, so that's that for today. Not looking too good. Looks like we're coming down now. Probably gonna go and check that low, and worst case scenario, check that low. Maybe just another option if we go out there. If we lose that, I think I've got a channel still in here somewhere. Not that channel. That channel. Yeah, we're basically getting back into this channel. We were getting out there, we had a retest, that was bullish, but now getting into this channel, we're probably going to play around here. And if you see, if we touch the bottom of this channel, then we are at that low, and if this continues for a week or so, we will definitely reach that. And if we go lower than that and continue down, then we get accepted into this channel down here. So that'll not be good for the bulls. That's it for today. Alright, cheers.